From RF Smart, this is Take 5 with Taking Inventory, where in 5 minutes or less, we share the supply chain updates you need to know. Now your host, Abby Bennett.
Welcome back to Take 5 with Taking Inventory. I'm your host, Abby Bennett. Today, we are talking to two RF Smart users from our customer Industrial Networking Solutions, Josh Azores and Jacob Axtell. Josh and Jacob, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
Great to be here.
Can you guys share a little bit about Industrial Networking Solutions?
We sure can, Abby. We were founded in 1998. We provide industry-leading products, technical support, and services for wired and wireless machine networking applications. We are one of the largest value-added resellers in the world, solely focused on this rapidly growing market.
Fantastic. And Josh and Jacob, what are your roles on your team?
We both co-manage the warehouse.
You two are a great example of what an RF Smart super user should look like. And we wanted to share with our audience today
How you are creatively using image capture, which is an advanced workflow we offer through RF Smart WMS for NetSuite. So how does image capture work within your NetSuite record? What happens upon receiving?
So when we capture the image of the packing slip, it actually has the function to attach that image directly to the PO receipt. We currently have 4 functions relating to image capture. First being shipping sales orders, and second being transfer orders. Having proof of what packaging we use and what our product looks like before it's picked up by the carrier helps if issues arise, like lost packages or damaged products. The third function is receiving RMAs. This all relates to the reason of the return and the condition of the product returned. The fourth function is receiving POs and capturing images of our packing slips.
And among these many different use cases, you have a really unique and useful application with your accounting team. Can you share what you are doing with your packing slips and leveraging image capture to streamline your receiving?
So whenever a packing slip comes in, we're able to take that handheld and capture the image of the packing slip. So that way accounting has a means to capture that from their computer and match it up with invoicing from the vendor. The need to implement image capture really emerged during the pandemic. Most of our essential staff was working from home. Image capture was a way for us to digitalize our accounting process and the way accounting dealt with packing slips and invoicing.
So before you had image capture, what were you doing to find these packing slips and how much time was that taking?
Well, we were actually taking all our packing slips to the accounting department and they were having to file them away. But before they filed them away, they had to match them up and staple them against the invoice.
The amount of time it took them, it was very extensive. Not only did it take them longer to go through each day's worth of packing slips, which could be anywhere from 40 to 90 packing slips every day. Anytime there was a discrepancy, say we received 10 of a product, but the packing slip stated 11 and we were billed for 11, then they would have to comb through 90 different packing slips just to find that discrepancy and then review it.
Wow. So this has been a game changer for your team, for sure.
You guys are having such success with image capture. I'm curious, what would you tell other customers who are looking into adding this feature? How has it improved your productivity?
Image capture really helped us scale up during the pandemic and assisted in our growth. And I actually have a quote from our accounting manager, Jason Bell, that focuses on how it has helped our team. Once we made the packing slip digital, the biggest upside is being able to investigate any discrepancies without having to go back and track down the actual paper copy of the packing slip. Everyone has instantaneous access to the packing slip in NetSuite to resolve any discrepancies way more efficiently than before.
That's so great to be able to hear in his own words how it's impacting his team.
For your remote employees, is this still something that they're utilizing?
Oh yeah, most definitely.
It's a daily function.
Well, thank you both for taking the time to share with us today. I hope this has gotten our listeners thinking about what creative ways they can apply RF Smart's technology to their warehouse processes. I will link image capture resources below, as well as Industrial Network Solutions website. Please subscribe wherever you get your podcasts, including Apple Podcasts, Google, and Spotify, as well as on our website at rfsmart.com/podcast, where you can sign up for our email reminders. We hope to connect again on the next one. Thanks for listening.
Thank you, Abby.
Thank you.